Do you sometimes find that the level of success that you want eludes you? Are you playing smaller than you think you should or could and not actually stepping into your full potential? Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm a leadership coach who works with ICT business owners and senior tech executives to help them be exceptional leaders in their organizations and a force for good in the world. So, where are you sabotaging yourself? I was working with a client recently, and we worked out through the course of the coaching that she had a fundamental belief dating from her childhood that she wasn't allowed to have all the things she wanted in life. And because she didn't think she was allowed, even though she wasn't aware of this belief, it was driving her behaviors and it was stopping her from actually stepping into the behaviors and the actions that would give her what she wanted. And she was playing small. And by identifying the belief, then she was empowered to let it go, and we did some coaching processes around that. And now she's actually moving forward to actively and intentionally create everything that she wants, and now knows that she can have and deserves. So where are you doing this? Where are you getting in your own way? I find for myself, I sometimes sabotage myself around time. I have a deadline, I have something I need to achieve, and rather than being proactive and doing it, efficiently and effectively and straight away, I sometimes allow myself to be distracted by other things that are less important. And then, suddenly I've run out of time and I have to do it in a hurry. And that doesn't always serve the best outcome. So one of my resolutions this year and my goals that I'm working on with my coach is to be more proactive and to use my time more effectively. So where do you do that? Where do you get in your own way? Where might you have beliefs that actually don't serve you and are stopping you from achieving what you want? As a coach myself and someone who believes in coaching, I work with 3 coaches in different areas of my life to have that external perspective, to have someone who can see my blind spots because I can't see them, and to ask the questions or challenge my thinking and assumptions and beliefs that are actually getting in my way and stopping me from moving forward. If this resonates with you, please comment below and let's have a chat about what's going on. If you'd like to have a conversation about what's possible for you this year, then just book a time in my diary using the link below. And thanks for watching.